Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be talking about headache or migraine. Headache is basically a warning signal that something somewhere is wrong within the body. And migraine is paroxysmal affection which affects one side of the head and is associated with nausea and vomiting. So today I'll be discussing in detail about the causes and the probable solutions for migraine or headache. So let's have a look at what are the probable causes. So now talking about the probable causes of headache or migraine, the first most important cause is stress. So intense emotion of any sort, may be anxiety, restlessness, fears or any sort of disappointment, it all leads to stiffness of the muscles of your neck or shoulder area or scalp, and hence you experience headache or migraine. Next important point is your sleeping pattern. So if you are not sleeping for 7 to 8 hours a day, and if you're not sleeping from 10 to 1 p.m. every day, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. every day, so you're losing on your happy hormones which are released only during this time of sleep. It is not released otherwise in the body. So if you're not sleeping properly, you're like at a stretch of around 2 months, 3 months or more than that, or regularly continuously you're in night shifts or something, so you're likely to experience headache or migraine. So next important point is eye strain. So if you have any sort of eye problem, you need to get yourself checked immediately so that you can get yourself you can get rid of any sort of headache or migraine which is due to eye strain. Infections like flu, cold, fever, they can also lead to headache or migraine. So any sort of bacterial infection or any sort of flu can also lead to headache or migraine. Next is allergies. So you need to identify which food product are you allergic to. Like some people are allergic to peanuts, some are allergic to cabbage, some are allergic to some other food products. So you need to identify for yourself what are you allergic to, and you need to avoid that food product. Next we come on to stimulants consumption. Excessive consumption of tea, coffee, alcohol or hangovers on and off can also lead to headache or migraine. So get rid of this addiction of stimulants because they're not good for your body. Deficiency of vitamin B complex or magnesium also leads to headache or migraine. So all vitamin B, that is B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, all are very important for your body. And magnesium is also very important for your body. So you need to consume those food products like peanuts, green leafy vegetables, green vegetables, soya and many other products that are rich in magnesium. Mango is a very good source of magnesium. Mango is a very good source of magnesium, so you need to, and also it is a seasonal food these days, so you need to consume more of mango, right? So next we come on to iron deficiency. Iron deficiency will lead to anemia, and anemia will always cause headache or migraine, so you need to fix out the iron deficiency. Sedentary lifestyle, if you're not walking around properly enough and if you're not in a movement throughout the day, so you are likely to have lack of blood circulation in your body, and also due to poor circulation, due to poor blood flow in your body, you are likely to suffer from headache or migraine. Last we come on to hydration. So hydration is very important. Water means H2O. Water means H2O, and oxygen in the body is mostly obtained through water. So if you are not taking enough oxygen, if there is lack of oxygen in the body, there will be more free radicals, that is toxins in the body. And if there are more free radicals or toxins in the body, you're likely to have more of inflammation in the body. And when there will be more of inflammation in the body, there will be more of headache or migraine for sure. So now we come on to the solutions for this, right? So coming on to the solutions for all the causes that I just discussed, you need to meditate at least twice a day for 20 minutes so that you can get rid of stress or any sort of intense emotions that you are experiencing. And you need to do some breathing techniques like Bhramari pranayam. Some other pranayams also will help. Bhramari pranayam is, if done thrice a day for 5 minutes every day and regularly for a month, you can get rid of your migraine completely doing this pranayam.